Hey everybody, unannounced live. I'm going to show you what we're having for dinner tonight. Tonight I made some steamed kale. I'm going to put this in the bottom of the bowl here. Kale is a great green vegetable, lots of iron and fiber for you. Then I fried up some halloumi. And for those of you who've never tried halloumi, halloumi is a Middle Eastern, maybe Mediterranean, because on the package I bought it said it was a form of feta. It's a cheese that can be used for grilling. I just cooked it on a griddle till it's nice and brown, see, and it's very chewy, got a great texture for just munching on. But we love to eat halloumi just for any reason, but this is going to go with our dinner tonight. Get your fingers out and we'll bite you. So we've got some halloumi here, and I will tell you, I got this at the Sunshine Market on Kingston Pike for the folks who live in Knoxville for $3.99 a package. I've been paying $8.99 at Kroger. It is the exact same thing. Sometimes it's made from sheep's milk, sometimes it's made from goat's milk, sometimes it's made from cow's milk. This particular one is cow's milk, but honestly, aside from the little bit sharper flavor, I can't taste much difference. And it's just a really, really good eating cheese. So, we're going to also throw in a little bit of steamed cauliflower. I steamed the kale and the cauliflower in together. And to that cauliflower, we're just going to add a little bit of lemon juice. And a little bit of pepper. And the thing I've been looking most forward to, I made some caramelized red onions. Going to pop those right in the middle here. I did this with one whole pretty large red onion, some balsamic vinegar, about a tablespoon, about 2 tablespoons of, I used monk fruit, again the granulated monk fruit, but you can use regular sugar, and about a tablespoon or 2 of water. I let the onions cook for a while, and then I added the sugar and the balsamic in the water and let them cook down some more. You can also see there's some little, looks like little pieces of stuff in there. That's just a finely diced up mushroom. I had 1 mushroom left from dinner last night, and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I diced it in there, and it's just a little bit of filler. Now, honestly, this could be dinner for a vegetarian right now. And it would be a very nice filling dinner. However, we like our Friday night meat, so we are going to add a little bit of this. Now, these are just what I would call slider burgers. I have buns, but since we're doing low carb, we're not having any bun. So I'm just going to set that right on there. Those onions will be fabulous on top of the burger. And they will also be fabulous on top of that halloumi. We can just eat that with the onions, or we can eat it plain. And then we've got our veg, and that is dinner tonight. Pretty simple, pretty fabulous. We'll be taking a couple of good pictures in my lovely box here. So those will be posted later. And I hope you all have a great Friday night. We see you soon.